So today I want to show you how I absolutely screwed up my tomatoes. So these poor little guys were looking fine, and I apparently was not paying attention when mixing my fertilizer, and I over-fertilized them. And very quickly, they dropped all their leaves and turned into these teeny little spindly things. Now, I'm seeing if I can't get them to recover because it's already almost April, and I know within a month we're going to be putting them outside. And I also don't have any more of these particular seeds. These are the Roma right here. These are the blue cream berries, and I did put another seed in each cell to see if I can get some more germination off of these. But this poor little plant here, I don't know that he's going to survive. This is pretty burned. Yeah, this is just a testament to what can happen when you're distracted and you're not paying attention and you overmix your fertilizer. So I was doing a half-strength fish fertilizer, the Alaska, I think it's Alaska, and I must have not realized when I was putting it in this water jug here that I put in too much, because very quickly I couldn't figure out what was going on. I thought they were overwatered, so I potted them up and buried them deep. And then I started doing some research, and I found a video from the Rustic Gardener who pretty much showed me that I over-fertilized. So that is what happened here. These ones here, they are doing better. They're doing better than the other ones. And these are the Bumblebee tomato. So they're doing fine. And our single seed challenge tomato is also doing okay. It's still small. It did drop some leaves, and it looks like it might have a little bit of fertilizer burn, but I'm going to heavily water like he suggested in the video and see if I can't bring it back. Although this one had absolutely no leaves 2 days ago, and now it's pushing new leaves. So there might be salvageable, I'm hoping. But that is, I just wanted to show you my experience of the things I learned about tomatoes. I'm not very well versed in tomatoes. This is my second year growing, first year from actually doing from seed. Normally I buy transplants, which if these do not recover, the Romas, I will just be buying some transplants from my local garden center, because that'll just be easier than trying to restart them at this point. But yeah, so that is a lesson in what happens when you are not paying attention to what you're doing in the growing room. Everything else though looks fine. I'm going to do a full seed tour very soon because we have some big growth going on and a lot of new things started that I didn't film. But I did notice that there's a little bit of fertilizer burn here as well. Like that one's just straight burned out. So I will be more careful because I killed some of my babies. I don't even know what I was thinking. I know how to fertilize. I should have known better. I was not paying attention. But yeah, so we'll look at everything else I got going on. But I will be doing a full seed tour very soon and talk about what a lot of these are, because I've got some new pretty things in here.